always we should observe our both side of life. Like there is one darkness side and there is one light side. So we always focus on both sides, and then we just observe the things what is good for your life or your health. Then you can use and you can apply in your life. First and foremost, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic, and thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Yes. So before diving into the conversation, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. I am always delighted to introduce myself. So my name is Shweta. I am from Delhi, and by profession I am full-time homemaker, and I have done BCom BA. In addition, I am CTET qualified, and I have experience of working in school. And I am running my YouTube channel where I upload related to English content. That's a
Mm.
little bit from my side.
So
Mhm.
in this session, we will do a activity. Are you interested for it?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Which kind of
I will narrate
activity?
a
Yeah.
story, short story I will narrate, and after that,
Mhm.
you will tell me moral of the story. Anything you can tell regarding that story.
Okay. Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
I will try my best. Okay. Yes.
In a bustling city, there lived two friends, Raj and Vikram. They were neighbors also. Raj was very simple person and he was living with his family peacefully. Same, Vikram was also living his family peacefully. But Vikram has a habit of show off everything. Then one day he invited Raj, come and see my latest gadgets. After watching this,
Mhm.
Raj was thinking, why I can't afford these kind of things? We are on the same position. Why I can't take these kind of things, the fancy cars also? And he was thinking, my all the friends are going for vacation. They are enjoying their life, but I am not. Why? What is the reason? But he don't
Mhm.
know that they are taking loans also, like personal loans for
Okay.
maintaining their status.
Mhm.
Then he was just thinking, and one day he set his mind, okay, I will also take debt, and after
Mhm.
my house also, and I will
Mhm.
buy a new fancy car. Then
Okay.
he renovate his whole house, and he buy a new car also, and he has
Mhm.
also planned some vacations. But after returning
Mhm.
that vacation, he was feeling very stressed because after some day he was getting call from the bank. You should pay your
Okay.
EMIs. Now he was
Mhm.
working, you can say overtime also,
Okay.
and he
Understand.
was
Yeah.
missing his quality time with his wife and children. Same thing was
Mhm.
happening with Vikram also, but he was pretending that he's enjoying his life. One day they both gathered in a party. There was a wise old man. He was speaking. He was saying, like materialistic things, all things one day it will be faded. But our peace of
Mhm.
mind and our quality time, what we are spending our loved ones, wife and children, it will never come again. So we should
Yes.
focus our peace of mind, our happiness more than materialistic things. That
Mhm.
day, Raj understood what the old man was saying. Then he followed
Mhm.
all the rules and he was feeling very happy.
Okay. So,
So that was the short
mhm.
story. And it is
Yes.
suitable for today's era. Like we are sometimes we are doing blindly compete with each other.
Yes. 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 So, like, we just show up our, like personality or like what if you are from your inside or not. That is not matter. You just want to show up your like yes. If you have these things, then I have also. There is no
Hmm.
matter what because every people have their own condition. Yes, their lifestyle may be different from each other. Yeah, but we never compete with others. and whatever we have, we should be happy with that. Yes,
mm,
because if you like show up your things even you don't have and you are not capable to maintain that thing, even you just like same that person did like he take some debt from a loan from in the bank, and when the they are not capable able to
mm.
pay that loan, so
Yes.
that will be very difficult for the surviving their life and all these things. So we never ever show up, and just whatever
Mm,
we should have, we should content with that thing. Yes.
mm.
So
But
that is the
nowadays,
moral of the
now
story,
in this
we can
era,
say.
most of the person are not focusing their peace of mind.
Yes, yes. they they just run away, like whatever whatever going
Mm,
on in our surrounding. Yes, they
mm,
never
mm,
like us to inner side what actually they want to do. Yeah, they just want to use that person, my friend is doing that work, so I should also do. And they have new car, they have like a new gadget, so they just want to run away of the
mm.
behind that thing, but
Yes.
they don't
And
know
you
their
know, uh,
capability, their quality.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Sometimes,
So
like
that,
some ladies, I'm not saying all the ladies, all the girls are doing the same thing. They don't want repeat their dress also.
yes, yes, yes. These are also materialistic things,
Mm,
we can say, and we never ever run behind that thing. Because if you have if you want to peace, like mental peace, so
mm,
you just don't follow any other. You just believe on your quality, believe on yourself, and just
mm,
because we can say there is no limits of things
mm.
in our in this world. There is,
Yes,
it's a materialistic world, so we can't always fulfill all your desire. We can say, yeah. So
yes,
sometimes we should content whatever you have,
yes.
then you
In
can
ancient
feel,
time,
yeah. Mm,
in old days, like banks are not giving all these things on the EMIs. But nowadays, banks are giving this kind of facility. You can take like home.
home loan,
So they
car
are giving,
loan,
yes,
mobile loan,
yes,
yeah,
car loan, mobile loan. All things
everything.
are available on the EMIs. All things are available on the
EMI, yes.
EMIs.
Mm-hmm.
And
But
after
it
that,
is
your
their
debt
work.
will be increased. After some
Mm,
time, it will be decreased. Sorry, increased.
yes, yes. But it's their, duty. But we should have that much, that much, thing. Like we should understand that thing. So,
Hmm.
am I capable of that things
Hmm.
or not? Yes. Then we
Hmm.
should spend, or you should take loan from like banks or somewhere. Yeah.
And sometimes
Other,
for fulfilling their desires, their luxurious life, they are doing side hustle also. There is no need,
yes,
sometimes
yes.
it is not needed for side hustle, but they are doing just for maintaining their status, their luxurious life. And after some time,
Mm,
they are facing some health issues also, like high blood pressure, some other issues, mental disorders.
yes, of course. Of course. Because technology always not gives us only benefit. Yes. If there is advanced technologies are there, so there is advanced diseases are also increasing day by day. Yes, due to that
Hmm.
technology. So people just don't want to understand that thing. They just want to enjoy. They just want to, what technology and what new gadget comes at the market, they just want to achieve that thing, and
Hmm.
they don't want to see the other part of that like achievement and that uh, like technology. So that's why
Like
now
sometime,
actually,
like,
hmm,
yes, yes, you were saying something.
yes, go ahead. Yeah, mostly
Like
it's
sometime we
happening
are
in
buying
the
a new
start.
dress, that time we are feeling very happy and we are getting instant dopamine. But after some time, we are feeling, oh, I think we should take another dress also. It will give me
Yes,
happiness. But it's not a
Mm.
long lasting happiness.
No, no, yes, it's not a
Nowadays,
long
people are
lasting
believing in
happiness. Yeah.
instant dopamine, instant happiness, instant everything. But they
Mm.
don't want long lasting things.
Because they don't have, we can say, peace or like stability their life. There is no any stability of their life. That's why they just want to achieve whatever see on their friends' hands or their friends' home or in their society. They just want to achieve that thing, but
Yes. And
without
this is the
thinking
reason
any.
because every day we are reading so many newspapers. There are so many families who can easily targeted by these scammers. They are giving loan, personal loans, and after that you can fulfill your all desire. But after some time they are trapped. These families are trapped.
Yes, yes, yeah. Many examples are, in our
Hmm.
society. They just, their all family has, destroyed
Yes,
due to
yes,
this reason. Yeah. So
yes,
even though the people don't want to understand, yes, they just want
yes.
to,
And day
yeah.
by day, these kind of
So,
cases are increasing.
mm, yes.
They want
Mostly
instant
in
money.
youngster. Yeah, mostly
Yes.
in youngster. Yes.
They
They
don't believe in hard work. They always believe in smart work.
smart work.
Sometimes
Yes.
smart work is not good.
Yes, yes. Because every work have their pros and cons. Yes.
Yes,
So people just
yes,
don't see the other part of the life. They just want to enjoy their life. Yeah.
yes.
So
We
that
should
is
enjoy
not
our
good.
life and we should
Mm,
always feel happy what God have given us.
mm.
Yes.
Yes, that is the
Because
good
every
thing. But
time blind competition is not good for our health and some other aspects of life.
yes, of course, because always
Hmm.
we always we should learn, observe our both part of life. Like there is
Hmm.
one darkness side and there is one light side. So we always focus on both sides, and then we just observe the things what is good for your life or your health. Then you can use and you can apply in your life. Otherwise,
Hmm.
otherwise it always gives not, it is not going to give you always benefits. Yeah,
Yes,
sometimes.
yes. So, do you have
Mm.
any question for me? Then you can ask. Otherwise, I think we should wrap up this session.
Yes, we should wrap up this session because